In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add events and deadlines to schedule in Basecamp. Let's get your team's important dates into Basecamp so nothing slips through the cracks. We'll start inside the project that the date belongs to. Open that project, then choose the Schedule tool. Every project has its own schedule calendar, and events live right there in context. This is important because the upcoming dates and My Schedule areas are summaries. They're great for seeing what's on the horizon, but you can't add anything from those views. If you don't see options to create a new entry, double-check that you're inside the project's actual schedule, not a summary page. Once you're on the schedule, you have two easy ways to begin. At the top, click the New Event button. Or, if you're already scanning the month or week view, just scroll down and click Add an Event beneath the calendar grid. Both paths open the same form, so use whichever feels more natural. Choosing the one that's closest to where you're working can help keep you focused and make the process feel faster. Now, fill out the event details. Start with the name. Make it clear and specific so anyone skimming the calendar immediately understands what it is. Helpful patterns include short labels like Project Kickoff or Deadline, Client Review. Consistent naming helps your team filter and prioritize at a glance. Next, set the date. Pick the day the event happens or the day the deadline is due. This placement determines exactly where it shows up in your calendar views, so choose intentionally. If your plan changes later, moving things is simple, but picking the right date now keeps everyone aligned from the start. Finally, decide whether it's tied to a specific time or it's an all-day item. For scheduled activities like meetings, enter a start and an end time. Blocking both helps teammates avoid conflicts and makes your schedule more accurate. For a whole day item, such as a due date or milestone, select All Day. That keeps the deadline prominent at the top of the day without requiring a start or end time. Times follow your Basecamp time zone, so if your team is spread across regions, it can help to include the time zone right in the title. For example, 3 p.m. ET to remove any guesswork. And that's it. By opening the project's schedule, starting a new event, and filling in a clear name, date, and time or all-day setting, you ensure your calendar stays organized and your team always knows what's coming up.